Looking for a ride that checks all the boxes? At Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer, our 2024 Subaru Impreza RS with EyeSight All-Wheel Drive is ready to transform your drives into something extraordinary. With all-weather confidence, exceptional comfort, and cutting-edge safety, this compact car is built for life in New Brunswick. Imagine cruising through snow-covered streets or hitting winding back roads with its legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, gripping every curve. Stay cozy on frosty Fredericton mornings with heated seats, or soak in natural light through the sunroof on sunny afternoons. From daily commutes to weekend escapes, the Impreza RS fits seamlessly into your routine. Packed with Subaru's EyeSight technology, it's like having a co-pilot keep you safe with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and more. You'll love the convenience of the touchscreen infotainment system, paired with Bluetooth and smartphone integration for effortless connectivity. And with alloy wheels, blind spot detection, and a rear-view camera, this car doesn't just perform beautifully, it looks the part, too. Drive worry-free with the factory warranty and exclusive huggable guarantee. At less than $135 weekly with $0 down, why wait? Schedule your test drive today.
We'll give you a hot